Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you the OcuMow robot lawnmower from LawnMaster. The model number for your reference is VBRM601YCM. This mower is ideal for lawns up to 1,000 square feet with hard borders and raised edges. For that reason, I'll be demonstrating it in use at my father's house in just a minute because his yard checks all of those boxes. But first, let me take it out of this box and show you all of the components. Often when I'm doing reviews, I take a look at what is written on the box because many of the features I'm going to go over with my viewers are printed right on the description. So it does mention on the front of the box, it is a robotic lawnmower with optical navigation, which is really cool. And one thing that I thought was very interesting, I thought there would be a lot of setup to this, like an app you'd have to download, and apparently it just comes right out of the box ready to use. Ooh. Here's a look at the underside before first use. As you can see, here are the blades, but it already comes installed and ready to go. And it does have this one small, it's like a rubber wheel in the front. It looks to be about 3 inches. And then these big beefy wheels in the back, which are 8 inches. You'll also find an instruction manual. And then I read some of the information already to prepare for this, so I know this is a magnetic strip that if you need to create a border where there isn't one, you would go ahead and lay that down, and I will show that in use. And then these look like stakes that if you want to put that magnetic strip down, you can stake it into the ground. Looks like there's probably about a dozen in here. So this is another little baggie. This appears to be maybe extra blades and then extra screws. Okay, here's a charger. Okay, and then there is a 24-volt battery. Here is a quick start guide, which I'll be going over with you, and it talks about preparing your lawn. Okay, so if you have like flower beds where there's no real defined, you don't want that. You want solid defined borders. Make sure you clean up any objects and leaves out of your yard. Grass height should be below 2.5 inches. And then it talks about that magnetic strip, and you can take a little rubber mallet and hit that into place. Power up your battery. Okay, so to charge the battery, you just slide that on and plug it in. And the setup is 2-prong, not 3. I just plugged my battery in and it does look like it's charging. So I'm gonna leave this on here until it is ready. And I'm gonna test this. Fully charged. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, so next I'll be taking it on the road so you can see this mower in action and hear all about the features. As you can see, my father's lot is on the small side, bordered by sidewalks, which is perfect for demonstration purposes. There is one area where the neighbor has flowers planted, so I staked the magnetic wire into the ground to create a virtual fence. There are 2 strips measuring 15 feet each, but you can purchase more if needed. And once you're done, they coil neatly onto themselves for storage. The OcuMow is made to just drop and mow. Simply set the mower on the lawn, choose your height setting ranging from 1 inch to 2.5 inches, insert the battery and key, press and hold the on start button until the LEDs start blinking and you hear a beep. The LEDs will turn solid and you'll hear another beep. Press the auto mow selection and the start button again and the mower gets right to work. The optical navigation system uses sensors and a wide-angle, high dynamic range camera to identify grass, even under extreme contrast lighting situations, to allow the robot to navigate around your lawn efficiently. Designed for smaller lawns, it'll mow for up to 3 hours, covering 1,000 square feet while dropping small clippings on the lawn to feed the grass. For a larger yard, extra batteries can be purchased separately and charging time is 100 minutes. Make sure to define your lawn's perimeter with a raised edge of at least 2.3 inches to prevent the mower from leaving the grass, and set up a virtual magnetic fence to keep the mower clear of forbidden areas. 2 ultrasonic sensors detect and automatically redirect the mower to avoid obstacles as small as 6 inches. As with other robotic mowers, a grass trimmer is needed to trim the lawn edges. The other setting you could choose is the spiral mow feature, which will cut in a circular outward pattern from where it's placed. This can be used to tidy up any areas that may have been missed during the random mowing session, or it's a great feature to use to cut the main areas of the lawn first, as it cuts down on the amount of random mowing time and leaves a really nice finish. You can test out the two settings to see which performs best in your yard. On another note, the mower is IPX4 weather resistant, but it is not recommended to use it while it's raining. To stop the mower at any time, just press the large stop button on the top. The control panel also has an ultrasonic on-off button and several indicators, so please look over the manual as I will not be covering everything in this video. These are some product specifications you may want to know about. The mower measures 16.73 inches in length, 13.78 inches in width, 8.66 inches in height, and weighs 13.4 pounds. It can climb a slope up to 35%, and it has 3 pivoting blades with a cutting width of 6.3 inches. It operates quietly at only 68 decibels and is covered by a 2-year limited warranty. It's also equipped with an anti-theft feature. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments. And if you'd like to check out the OcuMow for yourself, I'll include a shopping link and a 10% off coupon code in the description for your convenience. If you're not already following, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and look me up. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.